Model, 63-plate Ford Transit 260 short wheelbase, diesel front-wheel drive low-roof van TDCi 100ps body, white, panel van mileage, 177931 engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 ps TDCI-A transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Oil light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £3,650. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111